Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to show you the website which I have recently found. It's called Oxplore, oxplore.org. The idea of this website is to answer big questions. What is a big question? Well, I think it's the question which can be easy and tricky at the same time. Let's see examples. Does music matter? Should footballers earn more than nurses? Well, do we need a royal family? I think it's a good question for Great Britain, not for our country. Well, what else? Do guns hurt more people than they protect? Etc. There's a big variety of topics. Have a look. To my mind, the design is really lovely. Okay, let's choose one question and we'll see. I will come back to my first question. Does music matter? Okay, I will say yes. After that, the website will offer you to test your knowledge to read some interesting information, to listen to sounds, to watch videos. As you can see, there's a lot of interesting information which can be used during and for your lessons. What else is great is the YouTube channel of Oxplore. You can find here podcasts, talks, answers, questions, etc. What I like about these videos is that they have subtitles. And if a video has subtitles, it means that I can use it for my lessons in order to train a listening skill. So this video doesn't contain subtitles. Let's find another one which can contain subtitles. Probably this one. Yes. Okay, so if the video contains subtitles, here they are, it means that I can copy a link and go to TubeQuizard. TubeQuizard is a terrific resource which can train your students' decoding listening skill. Click Train with your video, insert link, and create quizzes. If you haven't used the TubeQuizard, you should do it. You can select here a topic which you want to train. And then your students will listen to the track, to the video, and type what they hear. A really good way to train the listening decoding skills. So, dear ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you find this website useful. Thank you very much for your time. Goodbye.